a great choice today with the 2017 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, tow hitch, power sunroof, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, compass, security system, rear window defroster, trip computer. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.